What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Make sure you go check out my new music video that I just dropped. Camp with me on my music channel, King Hustle X1M. Go like, share, comment, subscribe, run them views, them comments, and them likes up. All right. About to be dropping a lot of new music videos, new albums, mixtapes, all that good fun stuff. Get y'all and pump up the volume a little bit. So make sure y'all go subscribe and hit the notification bell so we can run them up. All right. And with that being said, what's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hustle, and yes, it's the best money in credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels and the Twitch. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title in every video. Once you click the title in every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right. Got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for. All right. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. Hey, let's get this thing started. Hey, what to do, my real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers out there, my real Hustle Nation Empire family members. And we are back at it again with the gems, back at it again with the sauce, back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you're tired of being a zero, you ready to be a family hero? Listen up, take a seat, get your notepad and get your pen, because you already know when I drop these videos and y'all get them notifications, it's going to be some information that's going to help you win. And in today's video, we were talking about bad credit payday loans, credit builder payday loans. Yes, a lot of people out there are looking for places that is offering bad credit loans. There's a lot of people out there looking to build their credit profiles, their credit worthiness. There's a lot of people out there looking to get their credit in the right situation, because a lot of people are starting to mature their brain, the way of thinking, and starting to understand how important credit is. And without credit, it's going to be hard to get through life. Credit is the number one money game in the world. It revolves around anything and everything that we want to do. So long that we got credit. Hold on, y'all. Turn your phone down, because I don't want to be too loud. I go, as long as you got credit, as long as you got those priorities together with your credit profile, you'll be able to get the type of funding that you need to succeed and win in life. So today's video, we're going to be talking about a place that is offering a $5,000 bad credit builder loan program, payday loan, because we all know there are different type of credit builder loans. You got payday credit builder loans, you got savings credit builder loans, and we know the difference. The savings credit builder loans are the loans or the funds that you get on the back end, meaning that each month you pay on this loan, and when you're done paying on this loan, you receive the funds. Payday credit builder loans you get up front. So once you get approved, you get the funds direct deposit into your account. But it's a lot of people out there that are not in the situation or the position to get those type of loans. So we're going to really explain and break down the logistics of credit, how to structure your credit profile, how to get in the right position and start getting funding. So $9. It's a lot of people out there looking to, get 800 credit scores, 700 credit scores, even 680 credit scores, because we all know anything under 680 is classified as bad credit. And there's a lot of people out there with bad credit in the sixes, the fives, the fours, even the threes. I done seen it with my own eyes. So a lot of people feel as having zero debt is the American dream. Having no debt, not having anybody to owe money to is the way to go, which is not true. You need debt on your credit profile to show that you can manage money. And a lot of people don't understand that. So everybody credit profile is not the same. Everybody finances is not the same. Everybody does not have the same journey in life. Understanding that, meaning that some people got student loans, some people got auto loans, some people got credit cards, some people got mortgage, a lot of different debts that's being reported on their credit report. Some people don't. So you got to understand what might work for you might not work for the next person. You can't really base your results off the next person's results, because everybody is different. So a lot of people out there want to live the American dream, and they feel as having zero debt is the way to go. No. So all those collection accounts, all that bad credit that is being reported on your credit report is a primary trade line. That means that account is primarily in your name. You do not want to dispute those accounts, because you cannot go out and buy primary trade lines. A lot of people are under the impression that you clean your credit report, you get this zero debt, and then you just go out and start buying this auto primary trade line here, this trade line. No, those will fall off within 1 month to 3 months. And it's only to make your credit profile look good when you're trying to get some type of bigger funding. a car, credit card, a loan. So people got to know the differences. Those are not credit builder trade lines. You need trade lines that are going to stick on your credit report until it's done. So keeping those primary trade lines will keep the age, the payment history, and the debt. Because let's say you have a 13-year-old account and you dispute it and it comes off your account. That age, payment history, and that debt is now gone. So your credit profile is no longer 13 years old. It's now whatever the next oldest account is on your credit profile is, that's the oldest account now. And banks, lenders, and groups want to see longevity. They want to see how long have you been managing money. Y'all got to think about it in the streets. If you know somebody that's always borrowing money and they don't never pay back them people and they finally get around to ask you for some money, would you lend them some money? No. It's just the same thing. When people look at your credit profile and they see all these places that funded you money or lent you money, you didn't pay them back, they're like, nah, we're not going to lend you money. And by you making payments on these accounts is what's building your credit score and your credit worthiness. Because the longer you are paying off these accounts and the longer you can manage and show that you can pay off this account will help you in the long run. So a lot of people are stuck in this position of trying to have quote unquote credit gurus and credit whatever repair their credit, and they're mixing up their credit. Because if you're in your 30s, 40s, and your 50s, and you have zero debt being reported on your credit profile, you're now in trouble because you're going to need a cosigner. And you're 30 years old, 40 years old. Ain't nobody going to put their credit profile in jeopardy for you. Make it make sense. So you got to know how to properly structure your credit profile, how to properly structure and manage your accounts, because those accounts that you have, it's okay to dispute some of them, but start paying them off because you're going to keep the age, you're going to keep the payment history and the debt. And it takes 6 months for account to be sold off to the the collectors. So once you start open up the account, start paying on it, it's going to reflect to your credit report on this primary trade line that you need, and it's going to get more points towards your credit report. Now, credit builder loans, credit builder savings credit builder loans, and payday credit builder loans. Now, this loan that we're going to be talking about today is going to be a payday credit builder loan. You will receive the funds up front, and they are working with people with bad credit. Now, I done told y'all before, when it comes to these bad credit loans, you're going to have a high APR, meaning that you're going to be paying back way more money, much more money back than a person with good credit. I think it's like 35.99% APR. That's pretty high. So if you get a $10,000 loan, you might be paying back $40,000 at the end of the day. That's high, which means you're going to have high monthly payments. So what most people do is they get their credit profiles in together, meaning that they figure out which credit bureaus this lender, this group, or whoever is pulling from. They focus on those credit scores. They build them so they can get a better APR. So in today's video, we will go talk about FinFox. Yes, FinFox is helping people with $5,000 payday credit builder loans, and they will help you get the bag that you need to succeed with bad credit. All right, so quick loans for immediate financial needs with a wide range of U.S. partners, top lenders, and compliance with the state federal regulations and use of industry best practices. Our special services guarantee expert lending services from reliable partners. All right, so bad credit, okay. Start online, withdraw cash in your AC, global presence, and achieve your goal. All right, so easy process. Your online application is fast and easy to complete. FICO welcome. Our lender partners are eager to help you with your loans up to $5,000. Application, quick application. Use your computer or mobile device to get started now. And trusted practices. We go to the extra mile to keep your information secure. Right. So a lot of people go through FinFox who have bad credit. They basically, once you apply your information, APR range from 5.99 to 35.99, the maximum APR for qualified consumers. So if you have bad credit, they're gonna mess with you, but you're gonna have a high payment. You might be paying back $1,500 a month on a $5,000 loan. It doesn't make sense, right? So, and your terms might be 36 months. That's 3 years. So you do the math on that. 1,500 for 3 years. How much does that add up? A whole lot of more money than you want to be spending. So basically, it breaks down everything right here. So the loan amount, $5,000. Interest rate, 13%. Long term, 48 months. Fee, 12%. Monthly payment, $131.67 per $1,000. APR, 18.23. And that's just an estimate, depending on good credit. And y'all do know, even if you got good credit, you're not going to get the lowest term. So always remember that. So total payments would be $6,320.12. So the total cost would be $1,900.12. So what are the credit requirements? Credit requirements may vary with each loan program is best suitable for you. We have partnered with lenders who offer our services in all kind of credit situations. Don't mind whatever your credit score is. All right. So whatever your credit score is, they're gonna work with you, but understand the APR and the terms that come with it, because a lot of people don't want to be stuck in high monthly payments and can't afford those. All right. So make sure you guys are getting your credit profiles together, getting in the right situation so you can get approved and have the decent amount of payments. All right. So make sure y'all checking out FinFox, $5,000 payday credit builder loans that can help you succeed, grow, build your credit history, your age, and your debt on your credit profiles. All right. So shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping this sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there is tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime 101 limit gems are $1,000, but for limited time only, I'm doing it for 600. Yes, 600 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the 600 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there. All right. No screenshots, no replies, no 21 questions, and please do not yo me. Also, make sure y'all tapping in to the crypto tour in person limited gems. 3,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money meet in person. Make sure y'all tapping into the webinars. 2,500. I got 3 webinars throughout the week: Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. 10 seats available. We're gonna talk about anything that y'all want to talk about, from business to life to whatever y'all need to talk about. How to invest, how to be more blessed, how to start your own businesses. Is starting a business going to be right for you? The pros, the cons, everything in these webinars. So make sure y'all booking y'all seat right now. 250. 3 slots, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Times will be determined, and we gonna start elevating and growing and building together. All right. Also, make sure y'all checking out my vendor platforms on Telegram and the Potato App, Millionaire Network. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, women, gamers, streamers, and content creators. We're gonna do a lot of y'all know what we're gonna do. Any cameraman in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, or Houston, Texas, hit me up on my IG. Let's push out this content and run up a bag. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit the all notification bell, all the YouTube channels and the Twitch. Make sure y'all follow me on my new IG, King Hustle X1M.2. Make sure y'all checking out the crypto world, because it's changing people's lives. And make sure y'all checking out my music channel, King Hustle X1M. My latest mixtape, Hustle and Flow, pure motivational music. Y'all ready to elevate and grow, mature your brain, really get to the bag? Go listen to that. I promise you, you're gonna have a whole new frame, a whole new outlook on life. And make sure y'all check out my new music video that I just dropped. Can't fuck with me. Go like, share, comment, subscribe, run them views, some comments, and them likes up. Right, we're about to crack the algorithm with this music and really turn up. So with that being said, it's your boy King Hustle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson, video, or live. Peace.